Verified footage from Indonesia captures the terrifying moment a powerful tornado tore through the VME Process construction site in Batam on July 22, 2026. The dramatic 38-second video shows massive metal roof panels being ripped from industrial buildings as violent winds send debris and dust swirling across the site. Workers can be seen scrambling for safety while sections of the construction area are torn apart within seconds. The tornado struck the Tanjung Sengkuang area in Batu Ampar District, causing significant structural damage to roofing, scaffolding, and other industrial infrastructure. Multiple independent videos and reports from local and international sources confirm the authenticity of the incident, with consistent visuals documenting the same destructive event. Authorities continued assessing the damage after the storm, and as of the latest confirmed reports, no injuries or fatalities have been officially reported. While tornadoes are exceptionally rare in Indonesia's tropical climate, meteorologists note that intense thunderstorms can occasionally generate localized tornadoes or similarly destructive straight-line winds. The shocking footage has rapidly spread across social media, highlighting the sudden and unpredictable nature of severe weather, even in regions where tornadoes are seldom observed. The shocking footage has rapidly spread across social media, highlighting the sudden and unpredictable nature of severe weather, even in regions where tornadoes are seldom observed.
Ada orang di atas tuh, woi, orang situ woi, habis cakap tuh. Ada orang di atas tuh. Woi, awas itu.